So children, first we are going to start with the exercise 3. Okay, underline the main clause and circle the subordinate clause in this sentence. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to first underline the main clause, and you can see I have done many. Okay, I have done the sentences, so we will do it once again. Understood? So please take a pencil in your hand and start. Oh, sorry. A1. King George spoke as though he was born to rule. So King George spoke is the main clause over here. Okay, and as though he was born to rule is the subordinate clause. So you will underline King George spoke and you will circle from as though to rule, as though he was born to rule. Understood? Then the B1. They felt that the new leader will make good changes. So here they felt is the main clause in the sentence, and that the new leader will make good changes is the subordinate clause, is the subordinate clause in the sentence. So you will circle this subordinate clause. Then in the C1 we have, when at last he returned to his country, nobody could recognize him. So here the subordinate clause is in the beginning of the sentence. And what is it? When at last he returned to his country, nobody could recognize him. So from when at last he returned to his country, here is the subordinate clause. So you will circle this and then you will underline nobody could recognize him. Then the D1. The newspaper will tell us tomorrow what the world does today. So in this, the newspaper will tell us tomorrow is the main clause, and what the world does today is the subordinate clause. Okay? Then the E1. I could not tolerate what he said because it was very rude. So I could not tolerate here is the main clause, and what he said because it was very rude is the subordinate clause in the sentence. Then comes the F1. And this F1, this is the hotel where we had stayed. So in this is the hotel is the main clause, and where we had stayed is the subordinate clause. Then comes the G1. They abandoned the building after it caught fire. They abandoned the building after it caught fire. So in this, they abandoned the building is the main clause, and after it caught fire is the subordinate clause. Understood? Then the next one. Although he was poor, he was honest. Although he was poor, he was honest. So in this, although he was poor is the subordinate clause, and he was honest is the main clause. So you will underline he was honest and you will circle although he was poor. Okay? Then the I1. The dog did not budge until its master came along. So in this, the dog did not budge. You will underline from the dog did not budge. Okay, this is the main clause of the sentence. And the next part, until its master came along, is the subordinate clause in the sentence. Okay, then the J1. The performance is by the artist who have come from Vienna. So in this, the performance is by the artist is the main clause, and who have came from Vienna is the subordinate clause in the sentence. Then the K1. She leaned against the wall. She leaned against the wall so that she could not hear the sound clearly. So in this, she leaned against the wall is the main clause, and so that she could not hear the sound is the subordinate clause in the sentence. Then children, the last one. When the lights went out, she froze. When the lights went out, she froze. Okay, so in this, when the light went out is the subordinate clause, and she froze is the main clause. So you will circle when the lights went out, and you will underline she froze as the main clause. Understood? Please complete your exercise on time.